Imagine a powerful machine that could quickly reshape the most challenging terrains. From the biggest giants of antiquity to today's state-of-the-art marvels, these machines are far more than tools. They are the testimony of the brilliance of their creators. The Komatsu D375A-6 Super Dozer, the most giant and most powerful bulldozer the world has ever seen, with a total operating weight of 152 tons and a 69 cubic meter blade capacity. Packaged with a robust SA12V170E engine, generating 858 kilowatts of power, the machine engine comes with a turbocharger and aftercooler for better fuel consumption. The automatic torque converter system dramatically increases efficiency by altering ground speed and reducing fuel use. A spacious, noise-isolated cab ensures visibility and comfort with ergonomically positioned controls. With the ease of service and modular design of the Dozer that also has a centralized maintenance point, the Bulldozer is well suited to huge earth-moving projects. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe for more incredible machine videos. Caterpillar D11, which has the latest technology from CAT in the form of load-sensing hydraulics to reverse and high horsepower. The new design makes way for multiple rebuilds, has a redesigned mainframe, and gives an improved fuel efficiency of up to 8%. The CAT C32 engine moves the beast, 850 horsepower moving forward and 955 horsepower in reverse. More extensive equalizer bars and replaceable bearings are improved components that boost reliability. HD touchscreen displays, automated blade assist, and auto ripper control are just some of the features that greatly enhance the productivity and safety of operators. The CAT D11 is the powerhouse in heavy equipment, setting new standards in both productivity and durability. The John Deere 1050K comes next. First introduced in 2014 as the latest model in a line of technological marvels called track dozers, holds fourth place. This new model, successor to the 1050J, comes with a 13.5-liter engine that makes 350 horsepower and a sturdy hydrostatic drive system that improves performance. The 95,000-pound dozer has an operating weight of 135 inches and a track on the ground to help maintain equilibrium. Noteworthy features include its tilting cab for easy servicing and an efficient cooling system with a reversible fan. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it offers customizable settings and eco mode for fuel savings. This versatile machine excels in high production applications. The Liebherr's new mining dozer, the PR 776 Generation 6, powered by a staggering 12-cylinder diesel engine, good for 768 horsepower. The working weight of the unit is 161,354 pounds, providing blade capacities of 23.5 cubic yards, semi-U, and 28.8 cubic yards, U. Another innovative feature is the hydrostatic drive, optimizing power transmission by enhancing efficiency and steering precision. It is attached to the availability of a GPS, which increases productivity while reducing strain for the operator. The other features are a fuel-saving eco function and a multifunction joystick to simplify operation. The cab is roomy and comes with touchscreen controls. The firm has also designed the visibility and safety aspects, including ROPS FOPS. The Shantui China SD95 is a 105-ton machine that has a 708 kilowatt engine and a 45 cubic meter blade for heavy earth moving. The ROPS and FOPS certified cab offers safety and ergonomics, featuring a spacious interior with advanced noise isolation. Onboard technology includes a colorful display with automatic fault detection and remote monitoring. The SD90's-5's new hydraulic fan system adjusted speed based on working conditions, reducing fuel consumption. Additional features include LED working lamps for night operations, a modular design for easy maintenance, and a robust chassis for excellent durability in severe conditions. The ACCO Super Bulldozer is a construction marvel built in the early 1980s for a land development project in Libya. It was never shipped because of international trade embargoes. This colossus is assembled literally with Caterpillar parts and enjoys an outstanding 1,350 horsepower, produced by two 675 horsepower engines, having an almost unbelievable 183-ton weight. It has a giant blade of 23 feet wide by 9 feet high and an overall length of 40 feet. Having recently been moved to Portogruaro, Italy, the ACCO Super Bulldozer is still an example of an awe-inspiring testament to engineering innovation, now in a preserved form for future generations to appreciate. The Fiat-Allis FD50 in 1982 is an absolute monster in the construction and mining industry. The 80-ton mastodon with a massive 18 to 20-foot blade is powered by a hardy 550 horsepower Cummins VT28-C diesel engine. A favorite in Pennsylvania coal mines, this dozer, an absolute upgrade from the 41B model, could be trusted to dig it down. Despite a problematic climate during the 1980s, the FD50 remained a popular machine until the factory doors closed in 1989. A true workhorse, its versatile operation in harsh job site conditions pays testament to the engineering perfection of Fiat-Allis at its very best. Next is the Komatsu D375A-6 crawler dozer, designed for western mining and heavy construction. It easily tackles rough terrain because of its 71,640 kilogram weight and 636 horsepower Komatsu SAA6 D170E5 engine. It has an automated gearbox with a lock-up torque converter for better gas mileage. The 28.8 cubic yard full U blade maximizes production while maintaining balance and visibility. Operator comfort is ensured with a standard air ride seat and a color LCD monitor. Comtrax Plus technology offers real-time machine monitoring and remote diagnostics, supported by Komatsu's nationwide service network, making it ideal for demanding mining applications. Presenting the powerful and versatile Caterpillar D10T2 dozer, ideal for mining and heavy construction. Superior performance and excellent productivity are achieved on rough terrains using its 600 horsepower Cat C27 engine. Enhanced auto shift, EAS, and load sensing hydraulics allow the D10T2 to deliver power precisely while maximizing fuel efficiency. The track roller structure has been updated to increase durability as part of its robust construction. Optional electronic technologies such as auto carry and automatic ripper control are available to improve operator efficiency further. An excellent pick for challenging situations, the D10T2 comes equipped with Caterpillar's MineStar technology for real-time terrain guiding. Next is the Case 2050M Dozer, the largest in Case's lineup, engineered for heavy-duty performance. This 24-ton powerhouse offers 14% more power than the 1850K and boasts nearly 81,000 pounds of drawbar pull. Its robust box-style C-frame withstands extreme blade forces, ensuring superior results from fine grading to heavy dozing. The 2050M features industry-exclusive SCR technology for remarkable fuel efficiency and reduced maintenance. The redesigned cab provides floor-to-ceiling glass doors for maximum visibility and fingertip controls for enhanced comfort. With advanced sealing and a 76 dBA decibel rating, the 2050M delivers one of the quietest and most efficient working environments.